Here again. First hour of women basketball. You like the choice. You like the choice. YouTube, Google, Facebook. So spreading the good news. Tutuyong na sa bawah, Cobra Ironman champion, Mr. Noy Hobson. Boston Marathon, Mr. Gamaliel State, Mr. and Mrs. Yu from Determined Corporation, Rita G. Satina, Mr. Nilo Matulog, Mr. Roy Cadanya, Dr. Ed Adama, Mrs. Medrina Carrion, Mr. Alice Quezon, Mr. and Mrs. Indiapi, Heidi Uyao, and thank you for support the Arwin and Gunator Basketball Cup. Again, Arwin or Gunator is the answer sa tanang sakit mo, arthritis, limit, again, limit, cancer cells. So again, here, Dawang Cebuano, Dawang Tamagos, Sitio Kalubihan. Again, thank you for supporting with us. There's Junel for 30 minutes on the Arwin or Gunator. So manitambal sa iyang arthritis. Pag ipag-auli rin sa doktor, may tabaw na ng oxygen machine, buhi ba kasi ya? Here again, thank you. Again, Professor San Antonio Di Tabla. Professor San Antonio Di Tabla. Remaining time 7 minutes.